I'm pretty sure my alternator is going bad, and I'm going to show you guys some signs of that. Watch my RPMs. I'm going to turn on my headlights. I'm going to turn on my brights. Starts idling lower like that. I got my AC on too. It's the only reason why it's idling good. But yeah, watch. Headlights on, brights on. That's weird. I think it's my alternator going bad, but I'm not quite sure. Hold on. Turn my light on up here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the alternator going bad. Another sign that your alternator is going bad is when you, if you have like your headlights on or something and you give your car gas, like the rev it up, the brighter the lights get, that means your alternator is going bad too. So just a little quick tip there.